Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we do periodic maintenance on appliances, barbecues, automobiles, things that you should take care of at least a couple times a year. As you can see, we're going to start with a dishwasher today, and there's a few things that we need to make sure we take care of. All right, let's open up the dishwasher here. And let's slide one of the racks out. And as you can see right away, you see where we're targeting. That little filter screen there. A couple of things we're going to need today. We're going to need a little scrub brush and a little bowl or bucket of water. Not too much, probably a half gallon or less, just to rinse out the residue. First thing we're going to do is we're going to grab this little filter cup and pull it on out of here. Whoop. And you can see there's a little bit of grime on the filter. We'll wash that out. And down underneath, you can see that pink residue. That could be food scraps or some of the hard water. Let's get our brush and we'll start scrubbing. Well, we got our little bucket of water, little scrub brush, and just kind of hit it a little bit here and there. Of course, we're not going to always get every bit of residue out of here, but it's a lot better than having it go back on your dishes. All right, scrub that up. And you can see just the type of water that we're getting through. And like I said, a job like this, maybe you do it every 3 months. It all depends on the use of your dishwasher. All right, let's see what we can do. We'll rinse this out. Go ahead and get your bucket of water. Kind of just give it a quick rinse there. You can see it's a lot better than what it was. And even get these agitator sprayers, even around the little heat coil. Give this one more rinse. Like I said, we're not going to get it completely clean. All right, let's rinse that filter out in the sink. All right, let's give it a little scrub here. Oh wow, you can see that grime coming off the filters there. Like I said, this is just a little bit of warm tap water. Wow. All right. It seems like it's a lot cleaner than it was. You can tell the difference. You can really see through the filter now. Some little spots here and there. Of course, more buildup. A lot of this is caused by hot water, or I should say hard water, not hot water. All right, let's go ahead and put this back in. All right, let's reinstall this filter. You can see how that That water is pretty cloudy there. Once we get this done, what you should probably do is run it through just a quick cycle. That way, at least everything kind of gets a little rinsing. Install this filter back in there. And just turn it, and it locks into place. All right, thanks for stopping by. Hopefully you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and we'll catch you on the next one.